my channel. It's Gracie D here, and today I am going to be doing a mini slime smoothie. So I have all my slimes here, but I don't want to actually make a slime smoothie, so I'm doing a mini slime smoothie. I kind of made it up myself, but but basically I'm just going to get a little bit of every slime and make a slime smoothie out of a little bit of all of them, and I'll make the video shorter. Can't be too long, so let's get into it. I don't have that much slimes as many YouTubers have, so I'm gonna start off with this one. This one, my friend Adriana, she's been in my videos. She's been in quite a lot of my videos. She got me this from, she went to a thing for this YouTuber. I forget what her name is called, but she's a famous slime person. And she got it, and she bring it home for us. So it is called Cheese Puff Slime. On the back, it says that there's cheese puffs. I don't know. I am in my room, and it's not the normal room that you would think. I'm at my beach house right now, so. But it is a really nice slime. It has big balls in it for cheese puffs. But, alright, so let's get a little bit, it actually got a little bit hard, so. Alright, so this is the smallest I'm going to do. Okay, so, and then the rest of the slime is going in again. Let's put that over there. And the next slime, I'm going to do this blue slime. There it is. It's really nice. I love this slime. It's just a little bit small. Grab a little bit. Should I mix them yet? Yeah, I'm going to mix them. But I'm not going to mix them together yet. So, done with this one. On to the next one. That one doesn't have a name, because we don't name our slimes. I don't know why, but we don't. This one is so nice. Oh my god. It's so glossy and nice. It's such a nice slime. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so nice, but it's a little bit sticky. Alright, let's put that in. Oh, that was a lot. That's okay. Alright, so let's put that in. Alright. And this one we have actually named. It's Unicorn Slime. How am I sitting right now? Wow. Let's fix myself. Okay. Next is this yellow slime. Ooh, this one's nice. It's not that good though. It doesn't stretch as much, but that's okay. Alright, that in there. Oh, it has a yellow button on top. I'm so far away from the camera. I had to do it to make my head show. If I was close up, it'd be like this. So I moved back. Oh, this is my favorite slime, this black one. It's so nice. It's so nice. It's kind of like a jiggly slime, but it's really nice. Some of these slimes are my favorite. Some of them are really hard. So, like this one. This one's really hard. It's and it's not a good color. It's like a brown color. Okay. There we go. Hopefully it's a nice slime. If it's not, I'm just going to put some coconut oil in it. But, because I do have some coconut oil. Ooh, this is a really nice one. So nice. This is one of my favorites. Oh, I'm putting it on. But now I'm putting the slime in. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like, by the way. The back is like that, and then the front. Oh, it's different slimes. Let's keep that up there. I'm just gonna sit like this, just because, Alright, now we have, we're gonna go on. So there's still a small one. Crunchy Grape, we call it. This one does have a name. This one's been with us for a while now. This one's been with us for 5 years, I think. So it still hasn't gone bad. Let's put some of that in there. Crunchy grape never goes bad. So, here is another pink slime right here. Does not have a name. Oh, this one's kind of hard. Some of that in there. Okay. On to a green one. This is one of my favorites. So, I just want to play with all these. Okay. Now, on to the big ones. We're going to start off with, we actually just made this one. It's not an old one. It is confetti slime. There's like all rainbow stuff in it. It sounds like mac and cheese. Listen. Doesn't that sound like macaroni and cheese? I don't know why, but it does sound like that to me. Boo. There's like all different like colorful beads in it. That's why we call it confetti slime. Okay. On to this big one, even though there's a small slime in it. Okay, so this one I made. It's a light purple slime. It's really nice. This is one of my favorites too. Probably because I made it. Now, this is a green clay slime. It's really nice. This is our first ever clay slime. I remember how we made it. Like, there was really hard clay, and Maggie got deactivator, and she deactivated the clay, and the clay turned so soft and nice, and then we got to make a clay slime. And we put like a whole big piece of clay in this slime. So, last slime is this white slime Maggie made it. We just made it. Some of these slimes we just made, like they're not new. I mean, they're not old. What was I made? This one's nice. It's just a little bit watery, but she put a lot of Tide in it. All right, let's get up now. So this is what it looks like. All these slimes, and I'm just gonna mix it. That's such a weird color. Anyway, guys, this is what the color turned out, as a grayish color. And I think that is gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! This is it. One more last thing. Bye!